It was March, cold and slushy, time for Mother Cat to have her kittens. Seeking shelter, she dragged herself into an old garage. Old Tomcat snarled and shooed her away. Next, she tried a back alley shed. "Scat Cat," said two boys who were trading cards. At last she came to a dark, abandoned building. No one was there to chase her. Mother Cat lay down on some old rags with only her own breath for warmth. Amid dusty machinery and empty cartons and rain puddling under the door, she gave birth to her precious kittens. 5 of them, black and white, gray, Siamese, White Paws, and Smoky. Mother Cat nursed and cuddled them. She purred starry lullabies and licked clean their silky fur.